So come with me guys, I'm heading on down to Tuskegee University to visit my daughter, and I'd like to take you guys along with me. First of all, I plan to catch a plane out in Newark on down into Atlanta, and from there I will get a rental car to Tuskegee. Okay, you know, Tuskegee is a little ways out into the country, and it's like about an hour and a half drive. So, you know, on our way, we're gonna stop over into Auburn, grab something to eat, grab something to eat, check out, you know, place to stay like for 3 days or so. Check out a place to stay also. And then, you know, we're gonna take the I-85 on down into Tuskegee. So it's gonna be a fun ride. So I see you. What?
Two a day plus tax.
Huh?
82 a day plus tax.
82? This online cheaper. So guys, I just got here from Newark. So I just got here at Atlanta Hartsfield Airport, getting ready to get a rental car. So this is Atlanta, Georgia, guys. Hartsfield Airport. So I just got off the plane, and now I'm down by a rental car here where I need to get a car. So we have all types of companies down here. We have Enterprise over here. We have Advantage. We have Alamo. We have Alamo. We have Budget over there. And that's escalator that we take coming up from the airport. So you have your pick here, guys. It all depends on what car you want, different price.
It depends on what type. Your company going to put on up here?
Yeah.
Okay.
So guys, yes, we're just trying to get a car here. We're down in for the rental car section. Budget is here, Dollar is here. All the companies are here. Trippy, Avis. So as soon as you get off the plane, you just take the train, the Sky Train, and you come.
We're sleeping.
So guys, we just left the airport in Atlanta. Now we are heading to Auburn, and we are on the I-85 South. This is what it looks like, guys. Georgia. Nice scenery. Look at all these bushes. Look at all these trees. Nice highway. Look at it. So I guess I will see you in Auburn. So guys, if you are, it's wireless. So guys, take a look over there. Big trucks, tractor trailer. So guys, if you hate tractor trailers, then Alabama is not for you to be driving. Everywhere you look, there are guys, we are finally in Auburn, heading towards
Next right. And this
our
one.
hotel.
Take the next right onto Mole Boulevard.
Very quiet
In
street.
a quarter mile, turn right onto Commerce Drive.
So we just now following the
Take the next right onto Commerce Drive.
next right onto Commerce Drive. So we just following the GPS, guys. You can hear it in the background.
In 800 feet, turn right onto Alabama 14 West, Alabama 15 South. Take the second right onto Alabama 14 West, Alabama 15 South.
A little dark now.
Yeah, so.
Yeah. And we have a Popeyes right up there. It's getting a little dark now. So we're in the mall area, guys. We have a
In a
mall
quarter
right.
mile, turn right onto Mall Parkway.
So we are in the town area here. We have a mall over here. So as you can see, these are all the business places around. This is actually in the heart of town in Auburn.
Turn right onto Mall Parkway, then turn right.
Turn right. Mall Parkway over here. So we have all these places here. So our hotel is right in the heart of town.
Take the next right.
So there you go, guys. That's the mall over there. Yes, and
Take
just
the
go
next
from-
right onto Mole Boulevard.
It's just a little inn, and it's right next door to the Auburn Mall. This is very convenient, and the name of it is Quality Inn. So, ideal location, everything is close by, close vicinity to everything. McDonald's, Red Lobster, Waffle House. Everything is here on this boulevard. So this is what it looks like, guys. So walking in, you have a nice bed there, and that's a king size bed. That's what it looks like. Then you have two lamps, one on each side. You have another lamp over here in the corner right by the window, nice little drapes. You have your AC down there, and this is what the floor look like. Very clean, you know. And then there's the bed head. I like that bed head. It's very cute. And then we have a little desk right over here, and another little lamp. You have a little, you know, picture on the wall. You have your chair. You can sit there and you can, you know, work on your computer or whatever. And then we have a nice little dresser slash table area over here. You have the microwave underneath the bottom. You have some drawers there to put your clothes. And there's a flat screen TV here. Then you have a little fridge here to put your stuff into. And over here you have your, you know, your mirror over here if you want to check yourself out. So you have your mirror over here if you want to just check yourself out. Then over here you have the bathroom area. So this is another little sink right here where you can wash your face and all that. You have a little blow dryer right here on the wall. You have a little coffee maker over here, and just an area where you can make your coffee. Then you have one iron right over here. This is your towel area, and there's not a real like closet, but they have this little area here where you can hang your clothes, just like a semi closet. And you have one iron board right here in the corner here that you can iron your clothes. And now we are entering the bathroom. So this is what the bathroom look like, guys. A typical little. So this is it. Auburn. Things are so different in the mall here. Store is not open. Guys, over there. Shop and then come back. Alright. Yeah, let's go Walmart first and come back. Where Paula? Wow. Look. Wow, sweet and spicy. Yeah, sweet and spicy. What else they have? They have nice honey. Honey is there. Like syrup. Nice. Oh, look here, they have meat here. Popcorn. Oh, a charging car there, charge up in.
Must I electric car them?
Yeah. The dark car.
No man. Light up.
Anyway. Yeah, I like how and now we are entering. We're close to our exit to Tuskegee. So we are on our way to Tuskegee, and our exit is exit 38, right off the I-85 south. So guys, Tuskegee is actually in Alabama, and it's a small community on the outskirts, so you could say country.
In half a mile, take exit 38 toward Alabama 81 south.
So if you like country, guys, when I say country, real country, this one is for you. If you like country, Tuskegee. That's Popeyes right here. So guys, here we are heading to Tuskegee. So if you are living in Tuskegee, I guess your town would be Auburn. And Auburn has, you know, this Boulevard Strip, the mall and all that, where you would go to do your shopping. You have the Walmart there, Target, and all those stores. But like I said, guys, this is way out into the country. See, Tuskegee Institute, and that's where you have the great Tuskegee University, all historical, all black school. So it's like a gem into all this. So we have a horse farm right here, and it's actually close to the Tuskegee University. So like I said, guys, this is
Take the next right onto Notasulga Road, then turn left onto Lane Street.
So yeah, go so. So.
Turn left onto Lane Street.
So guys, these are houses, historical looking houses. So here we are, guys. We are on the road leading us down to the university. As you can see, there are the signs. Tuskegee. Different departments. See, the was I want to capture. So, as you can see, guys, all these buildings are Tuskegee's. You know, lots of acres, huge campus, so many acres of land. Hold on, Paul, I want to capture. I wish I was at Booker T. Washington House. Yeah, look at, let me come on. Go on, pull up. Car behind you?
Yeah.
There's turn in our parking lot, because you block off traffic. I walk from up, right up here. On your left. So guys, check it out. This is Booker T. Washington original house where he used to be living. And here we go. This is the sign. The Oaks, home of Booker T. Washington. So this is what it looks like, guys, right up here. See that? This is where the great Booker T. Washington was living. Can you imagine that? Way back when. And he is the founder of the Tuskegee University. So Tuskegee University, guys, it's a black historical college that is sitting on this vast amount of land. Booker T. Washington had a vision for the blacks, you know, and you know, back in slavery days. And this is where he was living. And then we have, that's one of the departments over there, Carnegie Hall. And we have many more. But this is just the beginning, guys. about the Tuskegee University? What's the history behind all this?
Tuskegee University is the pride of the ship going south, founded by Booker T. Washington and Mr. George Washington Carver. Our university is illustrious, and our Founders Day is July 4th, 1880.
So what about the history behind, in terms of the plantation, in the slave day? How did Tuskegee University came about?
Wanted a way for African Americans to be independent education-wise, because back then African Americans didn't have a lot of opportunities to be educated because of segregation. So Booker T. Washington wanted us to have a way to be successful independently, and he wanted to promote African American excellence and prosperity.
Oh, interesting. Wow, that's a great guy. He really loved his black people, and I really appreciate him for having this vision and allow it to come alive. Alright, so that's it. So now we are going through the checkpoint here where we have the security. You got to be checked before you can enter the property. So that is the Maury Washington Hall right here at the entrance. Can you capture this? What else? I couldn't probably can drive later. This is good. Go on the camera. Washington. So as you can see, guys, this is the Margaret Murray Washington Hall. It's right here at the entrance of the school ground. Nice and beautiful. So right now I'm at the gate here, and as you can see, it says here Tuskegee University. Guys, check, look how big this place is, and we just at the entrance. Lots of department. Super huge. Super huge, guys. And this is the administrative building right there. So as soon as you enter the property, this is what is here, administrative buildings. And then we even have a hotel on campus. So say you come in to look for your children and you need a place to stay, then guys, it's right in front of you, named Kellogg Hotel Conference Center. So it's the Kellogg Hotel Conference Center. Kellogg Hotel Conference Center over here. If you are in town, just checking out the property. Checking out the property and you'll need a place to stay, then we got you covered. It's right here. Kellogg Hotel and Conference Center. So you can just book a room here to stay. And then we have a church over there. That's a synagogue over there. So I'm just trying to walk to my daughter's dorm, and I decided to take you guys along with me. I'm on the Tuskegee University property. Very huge. So this is what it looks like, guys. If you're thinking about coming to Tuskegee, this is what you're gonna see. Very nice and quiet way out here. It's a synagogue right there. Your nice lawn. So there's a synagogue right there. So you're on campus and you want to go to church. You have your church right there. And these are all your dorms. You know, high rise. This one is like a 4-story. And now guys, look at it. It's all over. This is such a huge campus, super huge. Today is Sunday, so it's a little quiet. So you're not gonna see a lot of students until maybe tomorrow, Monday. Hey! Let's go check out the grades. Let's go check out the grades. Kimani, come on. So guys, here, this is a little cemetery. Now this is a small cemetery where all the greats are laid to rest. People like Booker T. Washington and all these greats. Can you imagine, guys? So yeah. So right up front here we have Washington. Right here. I don't know if this one is Booker T. So let's see. Come on, let's talk with me. You're not on camera.
Good afternoon, everybody. We're at Tuskegee University today. This is the grave of Frederick Douglass, who was a prominent figure in African American history, and we have him at Tuskegee University, and we honor him every single day. As you all know, he is also the 3rd president of Tuskegee University, and he is the founder of the United Negro College Fund. Here we have Dr. Benjamin Franklin Payton, who is the 5th president of Tuskegee University, and we also honor him in African American history as well. Hello viewers, welcome to my dorm at Harvey Hall. This year I have a single. As we walk forward, you guys will see that I have my desk over here. I have a calendar, post-it notes, and I have my laptop here as well. I set this up because in the morning I wanted to wake up and I wanted to have an idea of what I had to get done for the day. Things really do get busy here at Tuskegee University, so I would recommend having a calendar for anybody who is interested in coming to Tuskegee. I also have my printer here and I have my lamp here as well. As I move forward, you guys will see that I have a twin bed. I want you guys to know that the beds at Harvey are notoriously very tall as well. So please expect that if moving into Harvey Hall. This is where my fridge is located. This is where I keep my snacks. In instances that I don't want to walk to the caf, I can grab a snack over here. Or if I'm up studying late at night and I get hungry, then I can just grab a snack and get back to studying. Over here, I have my drawer. This is where I keep my lotion, my body wash, and my water bottles. And this is where I keep my clothes as well. Over here, I have my sink. This is where I brush my teeth, where I wash my hands. And it's perfect to get ready because there's a mirror that you're able to look into. And it's very convenient for anybody who is interested in staying at Harvey Hall or who has been assigned already. This is the bathroom that I share with my suite mate. There's a door on each side, so we are both able to step into the bathroom through doors located in both of our dorms. It is perfect and very convenient. We also have a shower as well, of course, and these are how the showers at Harvey look. We don't have a tub. We just have a shower. You step in, you step out. We have a toilet, and yeah, our bathroom is very nice and I love it. I love how convenient it is, and I love how it's very personal as well. Well, this is my dorm at Harvey Hall. That's a wrap, and thank you guys for watching the video.
And this is what the hallway looks like, guys. And this is what the hallway looks like, guys. Wow, it's nice and cool inside here. Inside. And I have a little work area here. And this looks like a little hangout spot. I have some tables, microwave. Come on, is that? And if you want to print something, it's right over there. Look at that. They added it. Look at that. So that thing to put up, get something and you put there. Are you still recording? I'm gonna stop.